I just built my first custom mechanical keyboard, and here's how it went. Cue time-lapse. Earlier this year I wanted a keyboard to match the aesthetic of my room. Unfortunately, there aren't many good looking white keyboards on the market, so I decided to dip my toe into custom mechanical keyboards. Upon entering the magical world of custom keyboards, I was immediately overwhelmed and confused. What the heck is the difference between tactile, linear, and clicky? Why are there so many fruits? And why do I need loop for? Other than... never mind. After doing a ton of research and watching YouTube videos, I have come to the conclusion that this hobby is way too expensive and will probably be a one-time thing. Anyway, for my build, I am building a 65% keyboard using the Mode Envoy as my chassis, along with a carbon fiber plate. For my switches, I'm using the B-Sun X, which are linear switches, and for my keycaps, I'm going with the GMK Botanical. I love the white and green aesthetic, which fits very well with the solar punk vibe I'm going for. Technology meets nature, that sort of thing. Considering this is my first time building a custom keyboard, I was off to a pretty good start. And then disaster struck. For some reason, the stabilizers I had didn't come with screws or fasteners, so there was no way to attach them to the PCB. You could say my day was ruined, and my disappointment was immeasurable. But fret not, I bought another set of stabilizers on Amazon, and of course they arrived the next day. And so the journey continued. It was smooth sailing from there, nothing will go wrong this time. And of course, I was wrong. One of my stabilizers was installed incorrectly, and so I had to disassemble my entire keyboard to the very beginning just to fix one little thing. And yes, I may have broken a switch. So I guess you can say I did a little bit of damage when I pulled out. That's what he said. So 2 lessons. 1, make sure you buy the correct stabilizers, and 2, make sure you install them correctly. Rookie mistakes on my end, I suppose. But in the end, I managed to build a beautiful keyboard. And now, the moment you all have been waiting for. Enjoy. And as a comparison, here's what my previous keyboard sounded like. And to think, I thought this sounded good when I first got this. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to do more stuff like this, so yeah, follow me, like this video, I don't know, do whatever you want. I'll see you in the next. Ciao!